Here I will explain it. How the shake, oscillate and swing effects work. Maybe after watching this video, you can create your own shake effect. Like me, just use a simple shake. You should at least understand the basics to be able to create your own shake effect. This is the default setting. First, set the magnitude. Because if the magnitude is 0, there is no movement. So the magnitude function is create a distance or level of movement. Now for frequency. Try to lower the frequency. This adjusts the slowness or speed of the movement. Angle directs movement according to the set angle. For example, if it is 90 degrees, it will make a vertical movement. If it is 180 degrees, it will make a horizontal movement. Phase. Maybe this is rarely used, but very useful. Watch carefully. I'm confused about explaining it. But, maybe like change the direction prefix from the specified one. This is the default setting. First, set the frequency. The same as the oscillate frequency to adjust the speed. For angle 1 and angle 2 are actually the same. Let's just say angle 1 is for negative numbers, and angle 2 for positive numbers. For a negative angle, it will direct movement to the left. Try lowering the negative angle. So the point. Negative angle for left. Positive angle for right. Okay, try lowering the positive angle so that it is balanced. Phase. The same as the explanation for oscillate. At least now you understand what I'm doing when setting the effect for shake. First, I want to add an oscillate effect. Make a vertical movement. Lower the frequency. Add keyframes to weaken the end movement. Also do it for frequency. Next, add a swing effect. pixelate effect doesn't look good. You can fix it in Phase. Add graph to make it smooth.